Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Happymod on iOS. First of all, before you download it, we need to check if we're gonna go ahead to general and we're gonna check if the VPN is connected. Okay, if the VPN is connected, you will be able to see your configuration profile, and you're gonna click simply just on Happymod. All right, if it's not connected, you will not see it, and today I have not connected my VPN, that's why. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you, okay, in general, and you're gonna just take it from there. It will be simply actual. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead to my Safari and I'm gonna download the Happymod. Okay, and here it says you want to download it, and I wanted to download it as an APK file, and I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Okay, and once I download, you will see it right here as it is. Okay, as a data file. Okay, next step, you will go to settings as I said before and go to general and make sure that your VPN is connected. So if it is connected, you will see your configuration profile. You will simply just click on Happymod and you will set up your account on Happymod. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.